Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. In this video, we will be learning 5 new words of the day, which is 11th of April 2019. This is the daily vocabulary booster by Oliveboard. So these words will help you enhance your vocabulary that forms a very important part of the English section for various bank and government exams. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. So the first term for today is adjudicate. It is ADJUDICATE, which means make a formal judgment on a disputed matter. So when the judge gives his final judgment on any disputed matter between two people or two states or center and the state, that is when we use the term adjudication or adjudicate. So few of the synonyms are judge, adjudge, try, hear, examine, or arbitrate. We check the usage. The committee was formed to adjudicate on the betting disputes. So betting disputes between two organizations or people to sort of take judgment over that, a committee was formed. So that is when we use the term adjudicate. The next term is alienate. Now, alienate is to make someone feel isolated or estranged. That means even though someone is a part of the group, but still we make them feel very lonely or isolated from all others. So, few of the synonyms are turn away, set apart, drive apart, isolate, detach, or distance. So the usage is the latest tax proposals will alienate many voters. That means because of the tax proposals of the government, people might not want to come and give vote. So this will sort of make them feel isolated. The next term is ambush. Okay, it is AMBUSH, which means a surprise attack by people lying in wait in a concealed position. So that means to confront someone suddenly and unexpectedly with unwelcome questions. So if anyone comes and we start, say a teacher comes or any person comes to give a lecture, we start throwing questions on them and they don't really expect it. Or if we try to attack someone physically, that is when we use the term ambush. So the usage is 7 members of the CRPF were killed in an ambush. So if the CRPF is going through the Maoist area and they get attacked by the Maoists, that is how we use the term ambush. The next term is dissent. It is DISSENT, which means the holding or expression of opinions at variance with those commonly or officially held. So if you have any opinion that differs from what the other people think, that is when we use the term dissent. So a few of the synonyms are disagreement or lack of agreement or difference of opinion from others. So we'll check the usage. Only 2 members dissented from the majority. That means that the majority stood with the opinions of all the people and only 2 people did not agree with that or had different expressions or opinions from the majority. And the last term for today is potency, which is POTENCY, which means the power of something to influence or make an impression. So when someone has the power to influence the other person, that is when we use the term potent or potency. So the synonyms are power, powerfulness, vigor and strength. So that means someone has the strength to sort of influence or make impression over other people. So the usage is, it's a mix of high potency vitamins, electrolytes and herbs. So maybe if you make a drink which is enriched with a lot of vitamins and electrolytes and herbs, that is how we can use the term potency, because it is very powerful and it will cure any disease that we are suffering from. So those were the 5 words that we've learned today, and every day we learn these new words or 5 new words at 12 p.m. I hope you like the video. Share it with your friends and help them improve their vocabulary. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.